Good afternoon. You're watching another episode of Phantom Flight 101.
And
those guys are at it again. Lawrence and I came out here, Long Island, to meet up with Captain Ray Kelly. And just behind us over here, across, way out here in the water, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there is what, Huntington Lighthouse?
Yes, yes.
About to put the bird up and get some shots. Hope you enjoy the flight. Huntington Harbor Lighthouse, still operational with its castle-like exterior and established in 1857. Lawrence is over doing his little FPV thing. I'm out here walking along the beach, and just wanted to say that, you know, anybody that watched my videos know I was always flying. It's a little dark out here, but I was always flying with the Phantoms, and now I'm flying the Air 2S. But also I switched over from using the Osmo Pocket, and now I'm using this Lumix S5 on a Ronin S. So just getting used to the new work, the new setup, and hope to bring you some more videos. But in the meantime, let me put the bird back up and get out here. They got a lot of boats out here in the water. I want to catch some of those boats. So I'll see you in a little bit. That was our time here at Huntington Lighthouse, and I hope you enjoyed the flight. Please feel free to check out the descriptions below, and also feel free to leave your comments. And I'll see you next time on Phantom Flight 101 with those guys.